Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me a really good question, and I'm going to make a couple of copies of this. And he's asking, why can't I use the red ones for envelope if I can use the green ones? Well, there's a difference in the shapes, but I'll show you what the difference is. If we take that and go to the envelope tool and place it inside container, it does a really good job. It's perfect, even on putty. Now, if we take the envelope tool on his shape, and it's the text, go to place inside container, we get that. So in this case, you'd have to pick vertical, but it's still not going to be perfect. Well, I didn't click on it because it's going to cut it off. I mean, it can only do so much. So to make this one work, I would take a 2-point line. I know it's not exactly what you want. Take a 2-point line right there and go up, and then make a new envelope form with the Smart Fill tool, and then move that over and left click, right click, and grab that United States, place it inside container, and it does it. The envelope is trying to put it into that little corner. You know, on all yours here, you have flat sides. So it will work on all these that you have. It'll work on that one. It'll work on this one because it's got flat sides basically. We'll do the last one. I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same. See, it's got flat sides, just like I just made. So that's the difference. I mean, this one right here is a lot of curve. But see, it's cutting it off because it's going to that little bitty part. You know, in this, you'd almost have to make lines going outwardly. We could try it using putty. But see, then you're going to get really messed up. So you want to use vertical. So let's just kind of alter this shape. So it's kind of a flat shape. And don't forget, that's not a shape, so you need to take your Smart Fill tool and make that shape. Smart Fill makes a new object. Still not going to probably be perfect, but we'll go vertical, place inside container, and see it's trying to get into that corner. It's doing exactly what it needs to do. So like at the very first, you have this right here, and that's what you want. Well, this is going to look just as good in that shape than go into those corners. You just need to make it where it'll work. Is basically what I'm saying. See, if you look, all three of these have flat sides. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.